Welcome to all. Today class we discuss about module number 5 and the topic is Jordan method. Okay. So in this linear algebra we discussed about Gauss Jordan method. Okay. So last video we discussed Gauss elimination method. Okay. If I hope you all understand the Gauss elimination method. If you not understand, once again you can see the video. First you understand Gauss elimination method. After that you come to here. If you understand Gauss elimination method, this Gauss Jordan method is easy way. Okay. So Gauss Jordan method. What is the procedure and what is our main aim? What is our main aim? So this method aim is in reducing the coefficient of matrix A to be a diagonal matrix. That is our aim. This diagonal matrix, diagonal matrix is nothing. It's a upper triangular matrix and also a lower triangular matrix. We get only the diagonal values. So 0, 0, 0, 0. If it is 3 cross 3 matrix means we get only the diagonal values. Okay. So it is upper triangular and also a lower triangular matrix. It is called a diagonal matrix. So our aim is to reduce the matrix by a diagonal matrix. That's all. Okay. So we'll directly remove the problem. So solve the following system of the equation by Gauss-Jordan method. So read the question carefully. It's Gauss-Jordan or Gauss elimination. Gauss elimination means only we have to make the upper triangular matrix. But Gauss-Jordan method means we have to make upper triangular and also a lower triangular. That is the diagonal matrix. So the first problem is x plus y plus z equal to 9, x minus 2y plus 3z equal to 8, 2x plus y minus z equal to 3. So collect the matrix. A, what is the A? A is the coefficient of matrix. Clear? Here A is the coefficient of matrix is 1, 1, 1. The system of equation already I explained. So the system of equation is Ax equal to B. So A is the coefficient of the matrix. So 1 minus 2, 3 and 2, 1 minus 1. This is A. And what is Ax? X equal to unknown variables, that is X, Y, Z. So Ax equal to B. What is B? B is this constant. So 9, 8, 3. Okay. So A is to B. A and B is this is called augmented matrix. Already explained the Gauss elimination method and also the consistency of type of solution. That explained A and B is a augmented matrix. Okay. So next we have to, our aim is to make the upper triangle. The first step is step 1. We have to make the upper triangular matrix. What is upper triangular matrix? What is our aim? So we have to make in this 3 constant to be a 0. So we have to make here 0, we have to make here 0, we have to make here 0. So first we have to create upper triangular matrix. After that we have to create the lower triangular matrix. Okay. So how to make here 0? Simply I subtract R1 and R2. If I subtract R1 and R2, I get here 0. And here we'll get 2. How to make here 0? Just I multiply 2 into first row and I just add third row. So minus 2 into R1 plus R3 and I get here 0, here 0. Next I have to make here 0. So you can use only the second row. Don't use the first row. If you use the first row, here value will come. So don't do that mistake. So you have to use the second row. What is the second row? Minus 3. Here the minus 1. So just I subtract minus 3 into R3 and I add R2. Clear? So if minus 3 into this one we get plus 3 and this one we get a plus 9 and we get this is also positive. So minus 3 plus 3 will get the 0. So the third row is 0. Okay. That this one. Clear? So I create here this is 0. So upper triangular matrix is completed. Next to lower triangular matrix. That meaning is we have to make here 0. Okay. What is here? Here is 1 is there. Here. Okay. 1 is there. Here. I have to make this one 0. Clear? So we'll make here 0, here 0, here 0. Okay. So how to get to here 0? This one. So R1, this is for here. So R1 which implies R2 plus 3R1, we get 0, 5, 2, 26. And next we have to make here 0. How to get here 0? So this is 5. Okay. So minus 5 into R3 plus R1. In this R1, I'm doing minus 5 into R3 plus R1. So I get 0. And clearly here 0 I get, here 0 I get. And next we have to make here 0 by using this one. So R2 minus 2R3 0. So clearly this is upper triangular matrix and this is lower triangular matrix. So now compare the coefficient. So this is x and this is y and this is z. The meaning is so 3x equal to 6 and minus 3y equal to minus 1 and z equal to 4. Yeah. So clearly x equal to 6 and okay. So yeah, clearly x equal to 2 and y equal to 3 and z equal to 4. Okay. So x equal to 2, y equal to 3 and z equal to 4. Yeah. So this is the solution of the equation. So next problem, this is also Gauss-Jordan method to solve the equation. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. This is the third equation. Just to collect the augmented matrix A and B. After you have to make the upper triangular matrix and also the lower triangular matrix. Okay. So A and B. So our aim is to make here 0 and we have to make here 0. That's all. After that, this is the x value and this is the y solution. This is the z solution. So by using, if you make here 0, can follow this condition, and I make here 0, I follow this condition, clearly 0. And next we have to make here 0, this one, and I use this condition. So clearly I got a triangular matrix. After that, if you make here 0 by using this condition, the next one we have to make here 0, and next step we have to make here 0. Okay, this one R3 is to minus 1 by 4 into R3. Yeah. And next, so if you want to make here 0, I use this condition, and you have to make here 0 by using this condition. Okay, and this is the coefficient. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 3 and z equal to 5. So x plus y, x equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 5. So our aim is to make the diagonal matrix, that is the upper triangular matrix and also the lower triangular matrix. So once we completed the process, we can compare the coefficient. So clearly x equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 5. So how to verify this answer is right or wrong? So x equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 5. Okay, x equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 5. Just to substitute in any one equation. So I simply substitute the equation 2 in the variables. So what is 2? 2 into what is x equal to 1 plus what is y? Y is a 3 and minus 5 equal to 0. Clearly 0 equal to 0. Okay, so the condition are satisfied. So the answer is correct. Not only in this answer, not only in this equation, you can substitute any equation in the value. Okay, that's all. So if the condition satisfied, your answer is correct. Okay, so thank you to all. I hope you are understand the method of Gauss elimination, Gauss Jordan method. It's nothing, the next stage of Gauss elimination method. The Gauss elimination method, we have to make upper triangular only, but Gauss Jordan method, we have to make upper triangle and also a lower triangular. The meaning is a diagonal matrix, so we have to make the diagonal matrix. After that, we get the value of unknown variables. Okay, so that's all. Thank you to all.